In this video I'll show you how to clean your Monolith barbecue. We're not going to use the heat deflector for now, but once we got the temperature we can use one stone on the top, so it will get clean as well, but for me it's important to clean the residue. Once we've got the charcoal going, place your first stone, place your extended rack, close the lid. So we do have temperature nearly 700 degrees Fahrenheit, so at the moment I'll try to adjust the temperature and keep it over there. There's lots of smoke coming out because it's burning all the residue. I'll adjust the bottom vent as well. I'll give him a half and I'll keep this one half. That should stabilize the temperature. Now we'll let the smoke to cool down. Next day we can start cleaning. So I would use the normal brush. So I'll use the normal, everything which was burned, just brush it easily off because it was burned on a high temperature. Everything will become very easy to take it down. There is no chemical needed. That's done. Another one you can clean straight up here. All the burn residue which was there is now gone, as you can see. You still need to use a little bit of brush here. See how it's flying off because of the high temperature. Also do it from the other side. And I would call that perfect clean. Once we finish with all the cleaning, I'll put a little bit of oil to season it again so it's ready for barbecue. We can also clean this extension rack or the stand for the deflector stone and the top grate. Nicely done. All these can be brushed off. Also from the top. Now we take the dust from the firing, preferably we'll take him out. Place it on the side. Now we're going to empty the charcoal basket and we clean everything over there. Careful, do not break anything. Once it's brushed, put it aside. This is the bottom part of the ceramic. Brushed everything inside. Now we're going to take the dust out. We can also use the brush to brush everything which is left. So, nearly done. Once is everything clean and brushed, we can start assemble the barbecue back again. So let's start with the charcoal basket. Line the door. Over there is going to protect the heat deflector for the bottom part of the ceramic. Now we're going to add the cast iron charcoal grate. On top of that we're going to place our fire ring. On top of the fire ring we're going to put our stand. On the stand we're going to place our grill grate. That's done. Now we can clean a little bit of the outside of the barbecue. For the purpose of this video I'm using the cleaning stuff called pink stuff. Gently brush it on the grill, take the cap off, nicely clean it around on the back, so you've got nice sparkling new barbecue. You can clean the stainless steel as well. Once it's clean, just place the cap back on the grill and your grill is ready for the grilling.